What is the value of x and y given that we have x plus y equals 20, xy equals 44? So from here, let's name this as equation 1. Let's name this as equation 2. Let's recall from here. So we are going to have x to be equals 20 minus y. Let's name this as equation 3. So when we substitute this equation 3 into equation 2, so x equals this, we are going to have 20 minus y in parentheses times y equals 44. So from here, 20 times this, we have 20y. Y times this, we have minus y squared equals 44. From here, we have 20y minus y squared equals 44. By arranging this expression, we can have this, or let's multiply through by minus. So here will be minus into 20y minus y squared equals minus 44. Here will be minus 20y plus y squared equals minus 44. Let's arrange this side first. We have y squared minus 20y equals minus 44. Taking this one here, we have y squared minus 20y plus 44 equals 0. This is a quadratic, of course, there is power 2. Then let's equate this by saying a to be the coefficient of y squared, 1, then b to be the coefficient of y, minus 20, then c to be 44. Then let us recall from the formula y that equals minus b, positive or negative, square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then our b equals minus 20, our a equals 1, our c equals 44. When we substitute everything, we are going to have y equals minus times minus, here will be plus 20, positive or negative, square root of 20 square minus 4 times a is 1 times c 44 over 2 times 1. We have y 20 positive or negative. We have 20 square. This will give us 400. Then 4 times 44. This will give us minus 176 over 2. Y 20 positive or negative. Root of 400 minus 176. This will give us 224 over 2. So from here, we have 224 as the product of 16 times 14. So we have y 20 positive or negative, square root of 16 times 14 over 2. Then when we have root of a times b, always equals as root of a times root of b. So we have y 20 positive or negative, root of 16 times root of 14 over 2. Then mind you, 16 is a perfect square, which is 4 to the power of 2. So we have y 20 positive or negative, square root of 4 to the power of 2 times square root of 14 over 2. We have y, 20 positive or negative. This we cancel this. We have 4 multiplied by root of 14 over 2. Then we can have this as 20 over 2 positive or negative 4 multiplied by root of 14 over 2. We have y, 20 divided by 2. This will give us 10 positive or negative. 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2. This will be 2 multiplied by root of 14. So we have 10 positive or negative 2 multiplied by root of 14. So meaning we can say we have, so from here we have y1 to be 10 plus 2 multiplied by root of 14. Then y2 equals 10 minus 2 multiplied by root of 14. So now to guess x, let us recall from where we have x to be equals 20 minus y. So when y1 equals 10 plus 2 multiplied by root of 14, so x will also be 20 minus open parenthesis 10 plus 2 multiplied by root of 14. So we have x 20. This time this will be minus 10. This will be minus 2 times root of 14. X 20 minus 10 will be 10 minus, which is x1, 2 multiplied by root of 14. So we have x1, y1 to be 10 plus 2 multiplied by root of 14. Then 10 minus 2 multiplied by root of 14. Also, when y2 equals 10 minus 2 multiplied by root of 14. So here is minus, then this is plus. So this will be x2 20 minus 10 minus 2 multiplied by root of 14. x2 will be 20 minus 10 plus 2 multiplied by root of 14. x2 10 plus 2 multiplied by root of 14. So again we have x2, y2 to be 10 plus 2 multiplied by root of 14, 10 minus 2 multiplied by root of 14. So we also have x1, y1, 10 minus 2 multiplied by root of 14, 10 plus 2 multiplied by root of 14. So if you are new here and find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more math tutorial videos.